Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find your favorite brands on AliExpress. Whether you are hunting for the best deals or specific brand items, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. In this homepage, here you can see the search bar at the top. Tap on it. Now type in the name of the brand you are looking for. For example, let's say I'll search for Adidas. Now AliExpress will display all the results related to your search. You'll see a variety of products from the brand. I searched for Adidas, so I can see plenty of Adidas items over here. If you see the logo in the pictures, there is a high chance that these are the branded original products. So you can filter your results. You can see the filter option over here. Tap on filter. You can set your price range and shipping address over here, and you'll find the results accordingly. And that's it. You can explore through the products and see if it meets your requirements. And that's how you can find brand products on AliExpress using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.